Hey, what's up? I get a lot of PR packages in the mail, and I thought it would be fun to let you guys open this one with me. I'm not sure what it is. I know it's from Edelman. Ooh, that means it's snacks. We have Oreo chocolate cake mix, Oreo white cake mix, and Oreo brownie mix. Is that everything? Oh no, wait, there's something else. Hang on. Oh, nice. Some frosting. So that's kind of cool, right? I like it. Should we open it? I feel like we should open it. So everything that comes to me is always like super bulbous because I live in Colorado. It actually looks pretty good, right? Hang on one sec. I don't want to like, hang on. I'm just gonna get like, can you touch metal with metal? Like I can't do it. I can't touch this metal to this metal and then put it in my mouth. For some reason, it's like it ignites itself or something. I don't know. All right, we're gonna try it. What is it? It's just frosting. I mean, it's very good. Okay, so if you like this, then I'll make a cake. All right, I love you guys. Bye.